Road transportation, Coast Valley. Hi, my name is Muhammad Ridha Rashid with my trade number 2024840748. Alright, so for discussion of challenge is to reduce pollution, to allowing people and goods to travel on a short or long distance while reducing air pollution. Second, global reach. It connects cities, countries, and remote areas all over the world, including areas that are hard to access using another transport. Third, reliable. Operate on fixed schedule and support by advanced technology that allow us to communicate with control system easily. Safety and security. Road transportation always follows strict safety standards and tight inspection, including regular service to make sure there will be no issue while on board, such as brake. Last one is weather dependent. A trip can be affected by weather conditions such as storms, fog, or strong winds, which may cause delay on board because they need to reduce the speed limit to ensure passenger safety. Next one is advantage, which is firstly, it can reduce pollution. Road transportation reduce pollution significantly, making it ideal for busy city, and also it can reduce traffic jam. Next, high level of safety. Road transportation is one of the most safety transportation. Is it because driver is strict to follow the speed limit that are fixed to ensure safety of the passenger and cargo. Third one is comfort and convenience. Modern buses are designed to provide a comfortable travel experience based on the classes, especially for long distance. They are providing sleeper bus to ensure the passenger comfort. The fourth one is cost effective for small loads. It was more economically when transporting small amount of goods since there is no need to fill large container or cargo unit. The last one is convenient for passenger. People can travel according their own time schedule without being tied to fixed schedule. It can be very helpful for tourists to travel freely. Alright, so let's move on to the next one is disadvantage. The disadvantage of road transportation is traffic congestion. As more people own cars and motorcycles, roads, especially in urban areas, become overcrowded during peak hours. Vehicle move very slowly or even come to a standstill. This can lead to higher fuel consumption. The next one is limited capacity for goods. Road transport is not efficient for carrying very large or heavy loads over long distance. A single truck can only carry a limited amount of cargo compared to a train or a cargo ship. This means more vehicles are need to transport the same amount of goods, increasingly cost and road congestion. The third one is high maintenance and operating costs. Road and vehicle require continuous maintenance due to wear and tear from heavy traffic. Government and companies must spend large amount of money on repairs and upgrade. The fourth one is inefficiency over long distance. For long distance travel, road transport is much slower and less efficient than air or rail. It takes more time to reach destination and fuel consumption increase significantly, making it less economical for both passenger and goods. The last disadvantage for road transportation is unpredictable travel time. Even if a journey usually takes a certain amount of time, unexpected factors like traffic jams, accidents, road construction, or sudden weather change can cause delays. Because of this, it is difficult to guarantee exact arrival time, which can be a problem for business that rely on time. Alright, so infrastructure and network. Transportation and logistics known for its handfuls and good service. Most use transportation for cross-border between Johor and Singapore. The next one is policy for road transportation. The first one is National Transport Policy 2019 to 2030. Improve traffic flows and to reduce congestion, increase road safety, and support environmental sustainability. The next policy is the Malaysian Road Safety Plan 2022 to 2030 is to aims and reduce road fatalities by 50% by 2030. The initial 2022 to 2024 pace focused on building governance, infrastructure safety, and monitoring amid over 7,000 fatalities in 2023. Key strategies include improved speed management, stricter enforcement, and safer infrastructure. The issue and challenge in road transportation is overdependence on fossil fuels. Most road vehicles rely on petrol or diesel. This creates a problem because these resources are limited and their price can fluctuate. The next one is land use and space requirement. Roads, highway, and parking area takes up to large amount of land in urban areas. This reduces space available for housing, parks, and other public facilities. The third one is inefficient public transport system. In many places, road-based public transport is not well developed or properly managed. The fourth one is vehicle operating inefficiency. Many vehicles on the road carry only one or two passengers, meaning space and fuel are not used efficiently. This leads to unnecessary congestion. The last one for issue and challenge in road transportation is security issue and theft. Road transportation can be vulnerable to theft, hijacking, or vandalism, especially when transporting valuable goods over long distance. This creates risks for logistic company and may require extra spending on security measure. Right, next for addressing stakeholder. Government and policymaker, they are responsible for planning, funding and regulating road system. The next one is transport company and logistic provider. This includes bus operator, tracking company and delivery service. The third one is driver and road users. This group includes private car owner, motorcycle and commercial driver. They play a major role in road safety. Local communities and the public. People living near roads are directly affected by noise, pollution and safety issues. The last one is environmental organization. This group focus on reducing environmental impact on road transport. They can advocate for cleaner energy vehicles such as electric vehicle and raise awareness about pollution and climate change. Alright, so for case study background, for Caswelling is the Caswelling is a key bus service provider connecting Johor Bahru and Singapore, supporting daily cross-border travel for workers, students, and tourists. It operates along the Johor to Singapore Causeway, one of the busiest land crossing in the world. Despite its importance, Causeway Link faces challenges such as traffic congestion and long immigration clearance time, which can cause delays and affect service reliability. Alright, so for interaction between component and stakeholder, the first one is bus and driver. Driver operate issue according to schedule set by the company. Delay may happen due to congestion or long queues. The next one is bus operation. Management plan routes, schedule, and fleet allocation. They must monitor real-time conditions such as traffic congestion to find a faster route and adjust operation to maintain service reliability. The third one is transport system. Agency like Land Public Transport Agency and Land Transport Authority regulate policies, routes, and safety standards. The last one is terminal and infrastructure. Facilities such as Larkin Central provide boarding points and amenities. Efficient infrastructure improve passenger experience while overcrowding can reduce comfort and efficiency. Alright, so for the issue and challenge, traffic congestion at the causeway. The Johor Singapore Causeway is extremely congested, especially during peak hours and 50 season. This leads to long delays and unpredictable travel times. The next one is immigration clearance delay. Passengers must go through checkpoints managed by authorities such as Immigration Department of National and Immigration and Checkpoint Authority. The third one is overcrowding during peak hours. High demand from daily commutes often result in overcrowded bus and long waiting times. The last one is operation and maintenance issue. Managing a large fleet requires consistent maintenance and scheduling to ensure passenger safety. Alright, so the impact on efficiency and effectiveness for traffic congestion is The efficiency is fuel consumption will increase and more time need per trip, reducing the number of trip bus can be complete in a day. And the effectiveness is service become unreliable, making it difficult to arrive and departure schedules and passenger expectation. So the next one is immigration clearance delay. The efficiency is crowded situations at checkpoint lead to wasted operational hours and lower productivity. So for the effectiveness is longer travel times reduce the attractiveness of the service compared to the other transport option that can meet customer expectancy. Okay, so the third one is overcrowding. The efficiency of overcrowding is high demand is not optimally managed, leading to uneven passenger distribution and strain on certain routes. The effectiveness is passenger comfort and satisfaction decrease, which can harm the company reputation. Alright, so for the last one is operation and maintenance issue. The efficiency is breakdowns and post scheduling disturb fleet utilization and increased maintenance costs. So the effectiveness is service interruption reduce reliability and the ability to deliver consistent quality transport. Alright, so recommendation for Coswelling is Coswelling can implement dedicated bus lane to work with authorities at the border to introduce or expand dedicated bus lanes along the Johor Singapore routes. The next one is enhance digital tracking and scheduling system. Introducing real-time tracking using mobile phone to allow passenger to monitor bus arrival times. It also helps management adjust schedule dynamically based on traffic condition. The third one is increase fleet size and improve maintenance. Adding more bus during peak hours and strengthening maintenance practice can reduce overcrowding and minimize service disruption caused by breakdowns. The last one is improve coordination at checkpoint. Closer collaboration with agencies like Immigration Department of Malaysia and Immigration Checkpoint Authority can help streamline passenger flow, such as better queue management or dedicated bus clearance system. Alright, so the conclusion is road transportation is very important to ensure the productivity and the economy in the country can continue to run smoothly. But there are many challenges for companies for causewaying that disturb the company's development, such as traffic congestion at the causeway, immigration clearance delay, overcrowding during peak hours, and operational and maintenance issues. Stakeholders play a critical role in shaping efficiency on road transportation. Causewaying case study demonstrate how stakeholder interaction influence railway operation. With a right deep knowledge and good decision making, road transportation can continue to grow in the future. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.